Aliens might observe Earth and realize that, despite appearing defenseless, it is actually a uniquely dangerous place. 1. Unpredictable defenders. While Earth lacks planetary defenses, humans have a history of extreme adaptability and resistance. We've survived ice ages, global wars, and even self-inflicted destruction. Any invading force might find itself facing a guerrilla war unlike anything in the universe. In the dense forests of the Amazon, small groups of humans have mastered the art of survival without modern technology. These groups, using knowledge passed down through generations, could become formidable guerrillas in the face of an alien threat. Their ability to blend into the natural environment and strike unexpectedly would be a significant challenge for any technologically advanced invader. Imagine an alien landing party suddenly ambushed by a well-coordinated human force using tactics developed over centuries of tribal warfare. 2. Biological hazard. Earth is teeming with microbes and diseases that could be lethal to extraterrestrial life. Just as European explorers unintentionally devastated indigenous populations with new diseases, aliens might fear a similar fate. Consider the common cold, a minor nuisance to humans but potentially deadly to a species with no immunity to Earth's pathogens. The alien invaders might encounter these microbes as soon as they breathe our air or touch our soil, leading to a rapid spread of disease through their ranks without a single shot being fired. The scenario could escalate with the aliens struggling to contain an outbreak, which could cripple their operational capabilities and morale. 3. Nuclear deterrence. Despite being politically divided, humanity has thousands of nuclear weapons. If cornered, we might resort to self-destruction, making the planet uninhabitable for an invading force. The strategic placement of these weapons, combined with the unpredictability of human leaders under pressure, could lead to a scenario where humans choose a scorched earth policy over subjugation. The mere existence of these weapons might be enough to deter any rational alien commander from proceeding with an invasion. The psychological impact of this deterrence cannot be underestimated, as it adds a layer of fear and uncertainty to any strategic planning by the aliens. 4. Cultural and psychological warfare. Human culture is full of deception, propaganda, and unpredictable behavior. Aliens might recognize that our chaotic nature makes us difficult to conquer or control. From the art of war to the subtle manipulations in political speeches, humans have honed the craft of influence and psychological manipulation. Aliens attempting to understand human culture might find themselves lost in a sea of conflicting information, unable to discern true intentions or predict responses. This could lead to misjudgments and errors in their approach, potentially causing internal divisions within their ranks as they debate the best course of action. 5. The zoo hypothesis. Some aliens may already be aware of us, but follow a policy of non-interference, treating Earth as a developing civilization under observation. This hypothesis suggests that aliens view Earth much like we view a wildlife reserve. They observe from a distance, cautious not to interfere, partly out of scientific interest and partly out of concern for causing unintended harm to our natural development. The implications of this non-interference are profound, as it suggests a level of respect for Earth's autonomy and a recognition of potential risks in disrupting our evolutionary path. 6. We're not worth it. Resources, like water, metals, and energy sources, are easier to find elsewhere in space. If an advanced species can travel between stars, they likely have better options than dealing with aggressive primates. The abundance of resources in the asteroid belt or on uninhabited planets without the complication of a native, hostile population might seem far more appealing to an alien civilization. Why engage with a planet full of unpredictable humans when there are easier, uncontested resources available? This strategic calculation could lead to Earth being bypassed as a target for conquest or exploitation. Conclusion: maybe the biggest reason? We might not be as defenseless as we think. Who knows what secret projects are hidden away, just in case someone does come knocking? Deep within the mountains or buried under the ocean, there could be technologies or strategies being developed that could surprise an alien force, turning what seems like an easy target into a formidable opponent.